Welcome. Today, I'm going to show how to enable in-app notifications for group board invites on Pinterest with the latest update. If you're an active Pinterest user who collaborates on group boards, this feature will help you stay on top of new invites without missing a beat. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you manage your pins and boards. Next, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This is where Pinterest lets you customize how you receive alerts about activity related to your account. Under the notifications menu, you'll find a section called Social. Here, tap on Group Board Invites. This is the specific setting that controls notifications for when someone invites you to join a group board. Now, to make sure you get these notifications right inside the app, toggle on the in-app option. This means that whenever you receive a group board invite, Pinterest will alert you directly within the app interface, making it easier to respond quickly and keep your collaborations moving smoothly. That's it. By following these simple steps, opening the app, going to your profile, accessing notifications, selecting group board invites under Social, and toggling on the in-app notifications, you'll never miss an invite again. Enabling this setting is a great way to streamline your Pinterest experience, especially if you're part of multiple group boards or manage collaborative projects. It keeps everything organized and accessible without having to check your email constantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your notification settings regularly to stay updated with all the latest Pinterest features and improvements. Happy pinning!